Now that your course has been completed, you may want to provide your students with a survey. I'm going to show you how to create a survey. From the course content area, you'll go to the right side, you'll find Add. Now, you don't see survey here. You'll need to go into the More Activities, scroll down, and you'll see surveys. Now, we currently don't have any surveys, but after you start accumulating some surveys, they will appear in this window. So we're going to create a new survey. We're going to give it a name. This is going to be Survey. And we're going to scroll down, create an insert. And as you can see, we have the shell of the survey provided for us. Now we're going to open the survey and add all of the criteria, the requirements, the questions. Now this is very similar to a quiz. As you can see on the top, we have tabs. We have the properties tabs, the restrictions, objectives, and report setup. We're only going to talk about properties and restrictions today. Now for the properties, we have name. Now in the category, a category is required for a survey. So let's go ahead and create a category. And we'll call this Survey Category. Okay. Now you have a various amount of other options that you can choose. Give instant feedback, make results anonymous. There's questions. We'll get back to questions. There's a description area. Submission message. Once the submission of the survey is complete, there's a message that appears. There's a page footer. And at the very bottom, an invitation to participants. This is very important because this is who you're sending the survey to. Okay? So let's go to the questions. We'll add questions. Now again, you have the option of importing pre-existing questions, or you can create new ones. We'll go ahead and create new ones today. So in this case, they are in the same format as a quiz, but in this case, you're not going to have right and wrong answers. The learners will have the option to choose various answers. So we'll go ahead and choose multi-select question, which means they can choose more than one answer. There, you can put a title on your survey question, but it's not required. Now let's go ahead and go to the question text. Was this course informative and educational? And we'll make it very simple. It's either a yes or no answer. So we'll go down to the bottom of the screen. We'll put yes. And we'll make another option. And we will say no. Now, as you can see, there are other options here. And what we're going to go ahead and do is remove those. So we'll remove this one. And we will remove this one. So we have our two answers to our question. You are allowed to provide feedback if you'd like. And we'll go ahead and save. Now, if you'd like to make modifications, you can check this box. You can move, delete, order, and edit values. You see the type of a question, which is multiple selection. Last modified date and time. If you are satisfied with your questions at this point, you can go ahead and click Done, Editing Questions. Now you can make restrictions on here. Again, this is very similar to a quiz where it provides an inactive status. Let's go ahead and make it active. Now, this particular survey is unlimited, so a learner can actually take it unlimited times. We're going to go ahead and put a restriction on that and just allow them to take it one time. Okay. Save and close. Go back to our content. Scroll down the course, and we see the survey as the last step in this course. And that is how you create a survey using D2L.